all that.
I did that a few times, limiting my water, but I don't know about that lime and all that. Bro, why you ain't cover up your nose, bro?
Yeah, I did.
What was that? That was snot?
Bro.
Don't do that, because you know that's my pet peeve. Now, don't do that.
Bro, Rummy, bro.
What the freak, bro? Wrong
I'm
man.
about to get out.
I swear this better not be snot on my arm.
Bro, that's what it felt like, bro.
Oh my.
Bro, move. Why you trying to wipe that on me? Hey, bro, move. Bro, wipe yourself.
Roman, Roman, you freaking. Oh. Kayla trying on school clothes and stuff.
Real. So I be ready for school. Maybe about the first week or two of school. Then after that, you be ready for it to get back out. That's how I be. I'll be happy for school the first 2 weeks.
I text her, I say, I like that go hard in your voice. That's what y'all be saying, child.
I said that go hard.
Like my nose been itching. And my sinus is tripping.
You say what, Romy?
Nose itching and junk.
You better not get sick. You leave.
Like it's pollen in the air or something.
Yeah, it do be pollen in the air and stuff.
Like all my brother junk hurt. That's why I don't know how to feel. I'm tired. It ain't that hot up there.
Detox water. You want some?
I don't want none of that. That's what it's doing. I know that's like a weird taste.
You'll get used to it though.
You get used to that taste?
Yeah, you get used to it with the lemon and all that.
I did that a few times, limiting my water, but I don't know about that lime and all that. That's kind of sour. Bro, why you ain't cover up your nose, bro?
Yeah, I did.
What was that? That was snot?
Bro.
Don't do that, because you know that's my pet peeve. Now, don't do that. You better not do no shit like that, boy. You know that's my pet peeve, boogers and stuff. Boy.
Cover up your nose, bro.
I ain't know what the hell that was.
That was just nasty. What?
Yeah, yo bad.
I'm doing too much.
Nobody ain't doing too much. That's nasty.
But if that was
I
you,
don't
boy,
care. You
would've
should have
been
covered
so
your
mad.
mouth.
He would have been so mad if that was him. Like, what the heck you got going on, fam? You tripping?
Yeah, I ain't know what the hell that was. I thought that was you spitting on me or something.
Saying my nose itching.
No, I'm talking about Keon. I know you said your nose was itching, but God leave.
Well, I thought it was raining or something. What?
It was not that much.
Bro, you
It
should
did.
have felt how much
It had. I thought, yeah, I ain't know what that was. Don't do that no more, bro. Cover your nose. I mean your mouth. Yeah.
Just make sure you catch it in advance. Huh?
Yeah,
I'm a
because
franchise of Chick-fil-A, and it's gonna be open on Sundays too.
No, that man. No, you can't do that. That's that man rule. The CEO.
I ain't gonna lie.
You ain't gonna be able to do that.
I forgot
Well,
why.
he ain't gonna
I
let
think he did that for something. I think that man Christian. I think they say he did it something that
he
something got to do
Christian.
with church or something like that.
Yeah.
But why the church can't come to this Chick-fil-A after church? I mean, why they couldn't come after church? Right?
Only the church people be on Chick-fil-A on Sundays.
Texas rule. Oh, Kiki's right there.
Really?
Burlington, all that over here.
Like all of my brothers.
Portillo's. I want Portillo's. Red Robin.
Red Robin.
Look at bro right now. Bro look like he about to fall out. Lord. Bills L. Well, yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, y'all know what I want to franchise?
What?
Golfs. They need to let us open that back up. Bro, Rummy, bro. What the freak, bro? Bro, come on, bro. What you got, bro? I'm about to get out.
I swear this better not be snot on my arm.
Bro, that's what it felt like, bro.
Oh my.
Bro, move. Why you trying to wipe it on me? Hey, bro, move. Bro, wipe yourself.
Roman, you finna get...
You, bro, stop playing with us,
I'm
bro.
not playing, bro.
Roman!
It gotta be something in the air, bro. I'm telling y'all.
Bro,
Roman, stop doing that junk, man!
Y'all got some tissue?
Oh my God!
No, you finna get out.
That junk nasty, bro!
You finna get out. That's what you finna do. Wait.
Oh my God, man!
finna
That
get
junk
out.
is nasty!
Clean.
Bro, come on, bro. Stop
Roman,
playing, bro.
stop!
No.
Cover your
I'm
nose!
covering my nose.
No, you not if it's blind out, boy.
You put Clorox.
I can't even drive.
I'm putting bleach on me. I don't want to get sick. And that's nasty. That look like snot.
I'm trying to freaking pass this. Oh,
Oh my God. No, I don't want no snot on me, bro.
You sneezed on
Oh
somebody.
my
before?
God, dog. That junk, no, I don't sneeze on people. I don't do shit like
Bro, I
that.
try to make sure I got manners, bro, and I try to cover my nose up, bro. You act like you ain't even trying.
So darn nasty.
I sneezed in my arm. It came out.
No, you need to
Don't
sneeze
do that
way
shit no
then.
more, Romy.
Sneeze that way. Why is you still facing this way, bro?
Do it again. I'm gonna punch your ass in the throat.
Just
Why the
tripping,
sneeze,
man.
though? I can't
Man, I
control
don't
my
want no
sneeze.
snot on me. That's nasty.
I want snot.
God, leave.
So
That's
what is
nasty.
sneeze? What is when you sneezing, bro?
Wet air.
Bro, play with your son, bro. This man here, that's so. But if it was him, he would have been so mad, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Learn to have some manners and
I
stuff,
won't be
bro.
mad if you can't control it. I can't control it.
Nah, you can control it. I'll try my best to
You
control it.
need to put this over your mouth.
I ain't put no bleach on my.
You need
Go
to.
wrong.
You need to put this over your mouth for real.
Other one about to come out.
Nah,
You
no,
another one
ain't.
come out. If
Come on,
it come
walk him in
out
his
up
mouth.
here, I'm gonna punch you so
Walk him
hard.
so hard in his mouth.
Man, you gonna visit God today, and I meant
Bro,
that.
like, that's nasty, cuz. You don't never do nothing like that, bro. Not in public, boy. Somebody be done bust you in the mouth, boy.
Why my nose so itchy? Like,
Bro, you need to go. Bro, if you sneeze again, cuz.
you see I'm covering my nose.
Woman, you need to go that way. You need to go right
That's what I'm
that
saying.
way and sneeze that way and go that way out the window. Matter of fact, let down the window.
Cut the window down the window. What is it going? That's probably going.
Oh,
Oh,
now
that
you
ain't
making
time
me
to-
feel like you doing that.
Bro, you doing that?
No,
on
now
purpose,
you
bro?
making me feel like you doing that. Now you making me
I'm
feel like you
turned
doing.
this way.
Bruh,
I'm
don't do
turned. I'm
Bruh,
turned.
do
this-
that. Do that again. Do that shit again. I'm telling you, do it again. Do it again. Don't touch me, bruh.
Why you
Don't
back here
touch
trying to
me.
punch people?
Bro, it's
Don't
that
touch
season,
me.
cuz.
Don't touch
You
me.
got a pollen problem or something?
That's what I said, bro. It gotta be pollen.
That's why I say I don't want to let on with her.
No,
That's
because
gonna
now
be
you
worse.
playing. You trying to be funny. That's what it is.
My nose really
You
red.
trying to be
My nose
funny.
red.
You better get out my face.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that's
show
right
you.
now.
It's gonna be red when I punch your ass in your nose. Watch.
Give him the root off, boy.
It's gonna be red then.
Shit tripping. That's nasty, boy.
Who's for like this?
Nasty.
You finna get up out of here, boy. I'm so ready to get home, boy. Boy, I don't even want to go grab nothing to eat no more, boy. We need to take you home. Now y'all got my nose feeling funny and jump from that Clorox, man. Come on.
Roman,
No,
that's
Romy.
it. No. Now you making me feel like you playing.
Why that water got
Now
water?
now you making me feel like you
Why
playing,
your
Roman.
see?
Now you making
Bro,
me
this
feel
feel
like
like
you
water,
playing.
bro.
For real. Now you making me feel like you trying me. Nah. Don't do that. I keep telling you not to do that. Shit is so nasty. Don't do that.
Bro, then I can't even
Don't
focus
do
on
that
drive. Stop trying to put it on me, babe. Bro, y'all
What
so
the fuck
aggravating,
funny?
bro. That's why I'm finna get up out of this car, bro. I'm about to get
What's
up out.
funny, Romy? That shit is not funny.
Man, that's so nasty, cuz. I'm about to get up out of here.
No.
See how I look?
I can't rock with y'all, bro. Get up on my face, bro. Real talk.
Romy had jacked that mother.
It's rain.
High Supreme.
It's water, cuz. I put the water in my pouring it in my
Bro, that's aggravating,
Look,
bro.
they got the McDonald's bag. It's soaking wet. Bro, I was pouring the water in my head and acting like
Don't do that shit. That nasty, bro.
yeah, that kept, bro. I started it before I got
Way too much.
Hey, look, man. If y'all think I got them, man, y'all smash that like button. Sneezing
That
on
junk is
Mamadee
not
and
funny. That
Keon
junk is
prank,
real
bro.
nasty.
Sneezing on
Sneezing
them
on me
prank.
and shit.
I ain't gonna lie, don't sneeze on me.
I don't want no
You
anthrax.
sneeze on me, I'm gonna get too mad. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So listen, don't sneeze on nobody. I do not recommend you sneezing on anybody. You feel me? But listen, man, if y'all think this was banger, smash that like button, man. We on the road to 100K
We almost there.
subscribers, man. 100K, we're on the road there. We down the street, we parked at the red light, you hear me? But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell button. And man, without further ado, DGF Gang,